In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring up the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is to click the Start menu, and then you want to go to Settings. If you don't see your Settings button here, you can search for it in this search menu here. And then you want to go to the Accessibility tab. And from here you want to scroll all the way down to Keyboard. And under the on-screen keyboard access keys and print screen, you want to toggle this on-screen keyboard button here. And as you now can see, we now have the on-screen keyboard. I know I can show you a much more easy way to do this. We can use the Windows logo key plus Control plus O, and then you can access the on-screen keyboard from everywhere on your computer. Okay, I hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.